5-carat scan performed on Wednesday night and Ronald Acuna Jr.'s left elbow returned normal, the Atlanta Braves announced Thursday. Acuna was hit by the first pitch thrown by Miami Marlins starter Jose Urena on Wednesday night, prompting a cleanup incident for the Banks. Acuna had homered in 5 consecutive games, including the last 3 against Miami. The release that hit Acuna was recorded at 97.5 mph, the fastest release that Urena has released to open a game. The manager of Urena and the Braves, Brian Snitker, was expelled. Snitker had angry words for the pitcher as he led the first exodus from the Atlanta dugout to the mound. "I think it's pretty obvious what I thought," Snitker said after the game, that the Braves won 5-2 to complete a 4-game sweep. "It's a shame, the young man is just playing the game, doing what he likes to do." Acuna was hit close to his left elbow and remained on the floor for a few minutes while the players on both sides shouted at each other, pushing, and eventually, Acuna was able to get up and walk to first base to run the bases. At the top of the second inning, Acuna, who had been flexing her left arm while taking her position in left field, signaled that he left the game and the X-rays taken in Acuna's elbow on Wednesday night were negative.